We know that a phrase is a group of words that stand as a single parts of speech. A phrase is a group of words that stand as a single parts of speech. The first type we have studied is noun phrase. Noun phrase is a group of words that act as a noun, whether it's a object of the sentence or subject of the sentence. Often it contains determiner and noun. Then second type that we have seen is verb phrase. It contains helping verb and main verb. Then adjective phrase. Adjective phrase and noun phrase are quite similar. It doesn't contain noun part, but it contains determiner and adjectives. Next one is adverb phrase that describes verb or other adjective. It contains adjective and adverb. This functions as a single adverb. Then prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase act as a preposition. It contains a preposition and then ends with noun. Then gerund phrase. Gerund phrase usually a single word which is verb in the form of past participle or in the continuous form that act as a subject or object of the sentence. Gerund phrase. And the last one is participle phrase. This is also form of verb that act as a adjective of the sentence that describe noun or a pronoun. It often comes with ing form of the verb or past participle form of the verb which describe a noun or pronoun in the sentence. These are 7 types that we have studied. We'll go through each one with example. For example, noun phrase. A tall man is running away or standing. You can continue the sentence, but this group, a tall man, is considered as a noun phrase. It contains adjective and noun, article, adjective, and noun. Then verb phrase. Again, the same sentence is running away. A tall man is running away. Now, is running. Two verbs, helping verb and main verb. Together, this group is verb phrase that act as a single verb or a single parts of speech. Then adjective phrase. The tall man, the tall man, remove man, and the tall. This is what we have left. If we remove noun or pronoun from the noun phrase, we get adjective phrase. When the head is adjective, head of the sentence is adjective, then it is considered as a adjective phrase. When noun is not that important, it is the adjective phrase which is important. Then this whole set of words that describe noun is called adjective phrase. Then adverb phrase. It contains adverb as well as adjective. For example, the tall man running away quite fast. Now the word quite and fast act as a single adverb that describes action of the running of that man, the tall man. Single sentence explains all the types. A tall man is running away quite fast. Then prepositional phrase. There is just only one preposition here. Away. Away. The tall man is running away quite fast. Away from the dog. Away from the dog is prepositional phrase. It tells you direction or place of noun in reference with noun. And prepositional phrase ends with noun. Away from the dog. Then gerund phrase. Running. Now we have to make a different sentence because in our previous sentence the tall man is our subject. We need to make running is our subject. So we'll make a sentence like this. Running makes you healthy. What makes you healthy? Running, which is an action usually, but in this case this is noun, acting as a noun and taking place of a subject. So such case this word is considered gerund and it contains verb, act as a noun and also take place of a subject. It does three things. That's why single word can be considered as a phrase, which is gerund phrase. Now we will go for participle phrase. This phrase is also a verb with its form act as a adjective of the sentence. We will have to make a different sentence again. The window has broken pane or broken glass. Window pane is broken. Now it is the past participle of the word break. Broken describing the pane of the window or glass of the window. It is past participle that describes the glass. It acts as a adjective, but it is actually a verb that acts as a adjective. Then it is called participle phrase. So there are 7 types of phrases. Each one act as a single parts of speech. Noun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, gerund and participle. These are 7 types that we have studied. This is just a review. In next session we will study what is a clause and its types. There are 2 main types of clauses that we are going to study in later period. If you want to learn more about us and about basic grammar terms, please follow us and subscribe us. Thank you.